Since November 23rd, Turkey has been hit by a wave of severe winter weather affecting large parts of the country. The air temperature fell below seasonal norms, dropping sharply by 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Snowfall blanketed the country, with mountain snow layers reaching 50 centimeters, while snow on the Düzce Plateau exceeded 1 meter.
Evet, eski karlar, eski karlar. Aha size eski karlar. Vallahi bu şekilde.
The heavy snow paralyzed traffic on many roads, especially in the northern, central, and eastern regions. Drivers stranded on highways waited for hours for rescue teams. For hunters spent 2 days trapped in the snow before being rescued.
Yes.
Çok şiddetli fırtına var.
An elderly Turkish couple was miraculously saved after going missing during the intense snowstorm.
Sakin teyzeciğim. Teyzeciğim.
Tamam geldik teyze.
Gel aldık teyze sen şey yapma kalk.
Amca yukarıda değil mi?
Kalkabildin mi? Kalkabildim. Gel. Dur bakayım.
Bir yana doğru abi, bir yana doğru.
Şu anda tüfekliyiz var. Yakıp patlanan çok az kaldı işte.
Rescuers also freed 18 people caught in a mountain trap.
Oğlum neredesin lan? Bir şey yok otur ya. Geldim ya ben o. Ağlama. Ağlama bir şey yok.
Ağlama.
Ağlama. Tamam abi ben hoş geldin onun için sordum.
Officials reported that over 2,000 people were evacuated to safety. Unfortunately, 2 fatalities were confirmed.
Benim Evet. Bolu Dağı'nda.
In 32 provinces, schools were closed due to blizzards. The storm caused widespread power outages and the collapse of roofs under the weight of snow. Hundreds of sheep perished from the cold.
Arkadaşlar herkes yardıma gelsin. Allah rızası için. Bak adamın canlı davarları kurtarsın ya. Bak hep zay olmuş. Karın altına koyun. En azından yani sağlam olan 5-10 tane.
Sezonun ilk kar yağışıdır. Maşallah.
The severe winter weather followed days of heavy rain and strong winds. In the town of Ortaka, 149 millimeters of rain fell within 24 hours. Tornadoes in Antalya province destroyed greenhouses.
Kepçe yardımıyla erikliğe ulaşmaya çalışıyoruz.
In Istanbul, strong winds and rain uprooted trees and tore off roof sections, disrupting transportation and aviation services.
Yarende'de aşırı bir kar fırtınası var.
Ya vallahi bir desteğe gelmedi. Vallahi billahi 3 kişi sorun olmuş. Teslim ol.
This sudden onset of harsh winter weather in November once again highlights the growing danger of unpredictable climate events. The atmosphere is becoming increasingly chaotic. Why is this happening, and how can we protect ourselves and our loved ones from such disasters? Find answers at the forum Global Crisis. The responsibility.